In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Instagram post from someone without blocking them. If you want more control over who sees your content without the drama of blocking, this walkthrough will show you 3 reliable options you can use right now. I will explain how each one works, when to use it, and exactly where to find the settings. First, the most effective method is making your account private. This ensures only people you approve can see your posts. Open your profile, then tap the menu icon in the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Account Privacy, and toggle on Private Account. From here, review who currently follows you. If here is someone you don't want viewing your posts, tap Followers, find their name and tap Remove. They won't get a notification, and from that point on, they won't see your new posts. Keep in mind, switching to private doesn't remove existing followers automatically. So it's important to check that list if privacy is your goal. New people who want to follow you will need your approval before they can see anything. If you only want to hide your stories, you can do that without affecting who sees your regular posts. Go back to your profile, tap the menu in the top right, and select Settings and Privacy. Under Who Can See Your Content, tap Story. Choose Hide Story From. Then select the people you want to exclude. This setting applies to future stories and any highlights made from them. The people you exclude won't be notified, and you can adjust the list anytime. This is great when you are sharing real-time updates, but want to keep certain viewers out of the loop. For occasional posts you only want a small group to see. Use your close friends list. Start creating your post as you normally would. Before you publish, tap Audience and select Close Friends. Tap Edit to add or remove people from that list, so it stays up to date. Only the people on your close friends list will see that post in their feed. This is perfect for personal updates, select announcements, or anything you'd like to keep within a trusted circle without changing your entire account. Privacy. A quick tip: app layouts can change with updates. But these options remain under Settings and Privacy. Take a moment to review your choices before posting so your content reaches exactly who you intend. That's it. Thanks for watching.